Hi, welcome to Let's Random a video topic. This topic is ghetto lawnmowers. You see here you got these two mowers. This one right here works, but this one does not. Now you see here under this cover you find some ghetto lawnmowers. See this? Yeah, that's right, it's really ghetto right there. And here's this one. Gosh, it's hot out here. This one does work, but it just leaks oil everywhere. Gotta fix that someday. I just don't have time to fix this. And we're going around the corner here. Now this vid's gonna be kind of short. Going around the corner. And here you see the only true functional mower, and yet I just chipped the blade recently, so I can't cut with it now. And over here you'll see like three real ghetto looking mowers. And this black one over here that doesn't work. This green one just needs a new carburetor, but it kind of works. And this one definitely don't work. As you can see is all this